This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Bill Gager. Why wait to build? Constructed in 2022, this Anaheim floor plan, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, built by CC Homes has never been lived in. Situated on a premium lot with ample lake views, this house was built with premium upgrades, hardwood floors throughout the house, premium light fixtures, impact glass and doors, to name a few. This house is located in Maple Ridge, a beautiful community in Ave Maria. Residents enjoy numerous amenities, including the fitness center, pickleball courts, a resort-style pool, dog park, bike paths and jogging trails. It is short walk, bike or golf cart ride from Ave Maria's town center and all of its family-friendly attractions. With a great school district and a wide variety of recreation and amenities. Maple Ridge at Ave Maria is designed for lifestyles of all ages. For more information, review the details below or contact Bill Gager at 239-659-2400.